Are you a facility manager? Then you should know Phil and Rachel. These are the owners of Control Concepts of Ohio. And why don't you talk and, how do you work with facility managers in terms of the building automation, and what do you bring to the party?
Well, we partner with facility managers to diagnose what the issues might be with their building.
Okay.
They might be having some equipment issues as far as, we talked about outdated control systems. So we would come in, we would see if we could use any part of their, equipment that they might have on site, integrate it with our new controls, or if we needed to redesign a new system, we can certainly talk to them about doing that and making it so it's more user-friendly for people who are in the building, make sure that everybody is comfortable, that, the facilities managers aren't getting angry phone calls from people in the building.
I was just going to ask, as well as make the building, working right, they got to be thinking about everybody else who's using it, interfacing. Is that correct?
Yeah, they're the ones getting the phone calls from, the people who are having issues with the heating or cooling or lighting. And so they typically call us in a panic. And,
well, that's great.
Yeah.
Well, it's good to have a guardian angel on your shoulder.
So we're there to help.
Absolutely. Always help those facilities managers. We're trying to save time too, right? It's a valuable commodity that once it's gone, you can't get back.
Sure.
And the systems that we design, and especially when we design a user interface that is geared for the facilities manager, we try to do everything we can to design that system like a good website should be, right? That facility manager should be able to get to what he's looking for in 3 clicks or less, have really good alarms, right? Alarms come in that are actionable, not nuisance alarms, things like, hey, again, just be able to make it so he could just drill right in on the problem and to try to help save him time, Generally, the facilities managers have so many different things they're dealing with, right? The last thing they want to deal with is, right, the HVAC automation or whatever it be, So we try to save them time, make it easy, user-friendly, give them good trending, right? So they can go back and they get that complaint like, oh, it's always cold in my office, right? They can go back on that trend log and go, well, it's 73 degrees and the humidity is perfect. I'm not really sure.
So you can give them an answer to give those people sometimes.
Well,
that's probably meaningful to them, huh?
Exactly. It's called building automation for a reason. It should be as automated as possible.
Well, okay. Yeah.
So he doesn't have to, constantly be on top of it, or he or she, doesn't have to constantly be managing it, that it should be relatively, automatic.
Mm-hmm. Well, okay. If the facility manager's watching right now, how's the best way to get in touch with you guys?
Call us.
Give us a call. Go to the website.
And where's the website?
controlsohio.com.
That's great. We've done a lot of other videos. You can get to know these guys and the business they do. And 20 plus years, this guy's been a part of it. And you have to put up with him for a long time. They're married, so this is okay.